What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we have this Volvo in here, and back rear door have a nice crease dent and also a small dent next to it, and we will use a paintless dent repair technique to get rid of it. This is the damage, and access is really nice when you open the doors. Here on this factory hall, we will go through it down there and push. This is what's left after I pushed out the meat of the dent. Now I don't have the recording of finishing because that's so hard to catch on camera and the camera is always in my way, but I will show you how it turned out. So the crease is done, it just needs some sanding and polishing, and now we're off to this dent. This is how both dents turned out after sanding and polishing. So this dent is finished. This is the tools I used. This is a dent craft. I started with this one, first pushing on this side, but I couldn't reach all the way to the end of the crease. So I switched to this one. I tried to push with this, but I wasn't able, so I had to actually push with this side, but it was hard because there was not enough leverage. I was able to finish with this one, with the pick tool. If you like this video, make sure you click the like button and the subscribe button, and I will see you on the next one.